Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to tag someone on Facebook. Okay, so let's get started. Then first I will click on Facebook app. Okay, then click on this option, click and type your caption and add your photo and video, then to tag someone on Facebook. Okay, then click on tag people and just tap on people, add, and done. And these people, edit people, and just click on post, then to upload, tag someone on Facebook. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment.